that's gonna just protect the tips from just being damaged. As you can see, once they dry, they kind of change into like less clear, more of that color. But ultimately this is the best for the crystal, and it just will easily peel off when you do get it in the mail, super easily. This is a crazy lace agate. This is really good for like joy and laughter, happiness. Yellow is a very happy color, and I think it is known as the stone of laughter. I still have this very special one that I think is so cute. It has like a little cave, and you can see that. I think that is so unique because you can still see the raw crazy lace agate on the inner side of it, and then little caves throughout. So yeah guys, if you guys are interested in any of these crystals, they are available on our website for sale at a really amazing price. So go ahead and check us out. Link is in the bio, or you could just type in www.crystalrisingshop.com all together in your browser, and we should come up. We are the page that has a mint green color, so if you don't see that it's mint green, it's not us. There's some people that have similar websites, but we are the only one with that minty green color. So be sure to check us out. Again, link will be in the description. This is what we're trying to prevent. No bueno.
Will the value drop?
Yeah, it did, for sure. Which is so sad because it's like a really nice crystal. But, you know, we'll still protect it anyways. Okay, so I wanted to show you one that was already dry. So as you can see, it's no longer hot, it's no longer moldable. It's gonna keep its shape pretty well, and if it gets hit, it's gonna be protected. So I do want to peel it off just so I can show you guys how easy it is. So once you receive it in the mail, you'll just easily grab one of the sides, and then you just peel it off just like that. No damage to the crystal. The point is still perfectly there, and it's just kind of like a little safety net to ensure that the tip of the crystal does not break off during transit. And then you can just throw this tiny little piece in the garbage, or you can keep it as a cap for your crystal, which is cute. It's like a little hat. So yeah guys, this is a really good tip that I have, and I hope you guys enjoy watching. Hopefully it was satisfying. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.